today's video, I just wanted to share my self-care routine. This is my skincare Sunday / self-care routine. I like to start off by drawing a nice bath. I love it if my bath is drawn for me, but I draw a nice bath, light a nice candle, set the mood, get in the tub, soak, relax, just really take time out for myself. These are the products that I use. The bath. This right here is a shower melt. I believe I didn't have any more bath bombs, but I usually use such, and an exfoliating glove just to get all the dead skin off of my body. Then when I'm done, I head into my bathroom near the vanity and I tie my hair back with a little spa headband that just helps to keep the water from getting in my hair and anything like that. I just like to splash some water on my face. And then the first product I'm going to use is my cleanser, just to start off with a really nice clean face. And I'm really just gonna work that into my skin. Normally, I would just use water to splash it on my face to rid the cleanser, but I didn't want to make a mess. Next, I'm going to use an exfoliating, brightening, and hydrating mask because my skin has been lacking a lot of hydration lately, and Sundays are my days to just relax, unwind, do my skincare, and just take time out for myself. I would recommend all women to do this. It's just really relaxing and it helps set the tone for the week ahead. So I'm just applying this mask and I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. While I'm doing that, I usually go over to my vanity in my beauty room, my filming room, talk on the phone, and also clear off my vanity. I don't know about you guys, but my vanity gets wrecked every week, whether I'm going out or just filming videos, just putting on copious amounts of makeup, my vanity is such a mess. So I like to clear it off once a week, as well as clean my makeup brushes. And on Sunday evenings, it looks really nice. So when I'm taking this mask off, it's really important to wet your hands and kind of massage the mask into your skin. That's how you're gonna get the most benefits from the exfoliation. The hydration will already be in your skin, but you really wanna manually work those sugar granules around your face. And then I just wipe off the excess or rinse, but because it was on camera, I didn't really want to make a mess. The next thing I'm going to do is use my sheet mask. I like using a sheet mask for a lot of hydration. Like I said, the sun has just wrecked my skin lately, and a hydrating sheet mask is perfect. This one has watermelon extract in it, which works really well with my skin. It's a little tricky to unfold and get out of the packaging, but it's also so soothing and cooling on your face. And I love a good sheet mask because you don't have to worry about the granules of product getting everywhere. This robe gets so dirty during the week just from skincare or makeup or what have you. So that's one of the reasons I really like a sheet mask. They're also very portable. I take them on vacation with me. Love them. So while that's setting and marinating on my skin, I like to go into my little reading nook in the basement. And right now I am rereading Taraji P. Henson's book, which I love. Once again, just taking time out for yourself. And after about 30 minutes, I remove the mask and just rub the excess product into my skin and have it act as a serum. Then I'm going to start applying my nighttime serums. When I do my skincare Sundays, I like to treat myself, do a couple of masks, and then I do my PM skincare routine early in the day just to help the serums and everything just really absorb into my skin well. So I'm going to apply all of my nighttime serums. And then I'm going to apply my nighttime cream, which I really love for hydration. I thought I got videos of product close-ups, but I will list all the products I'm using below in the description box. I really love this night cream because it's super thick. Then I like to take a little napkin or tissue and remove the product from areas where I am breaking out so I can put my Epiduo directly on my breakouts. My skin has been kind of problematic lately, so this Epiduo Forte has been coming in handy, but it does kind of dry your face out and cause a lot of burning and irritation. But I heard that if you stick with it, you really see great results. And my final step is my Chanel lip balm, just a nice little luxury. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.